What's up, guys? We have come a long way with Hyliion Holdings. Again, I feel for the people who are holding at this price. There's been a lot of people in support of Hyliion coming out and holding strong, especially on this channel. Every video I make, there's always someone in the comments saying, I just bought another 1,000 shares. Now, I personally have not bought any shares of Hyliion. Unfortunately, I don't think it is a buy at this price. And here's the reason. Look at this year chart and kind of picture the earnings that has happened, right? So let's say one is right here, one is right here, one is right here, and then the last one's right there. Doesn't matter what the earnings is, whether they beat or miss, the stock still downtrends big. This is not a positive sign, and you don't want to be catching falling knives. And this is what I just explained right here. So when they beat earnings, and even though they're not profitable, the stock is still downtrending. So I say Hyliion is a great stock, a great company, but until it's profitable, I tend to stay away from stocks that have IPO'd within the last 2 years, right? Because they all pretty much look the same. So right now it's at $3.90. I think that it may go down to even $2. I've seen stocks at $1, guys. You know, you don't think it's going to happen until it actually happens. People didn't think Hyliion would become a penny stock, which is defined as under $5, but right now is at $3.90. Great company, like I said before, but it has got to do, it needs more time. That's what I'm trying to say. It needs more time in the market before it turns around. Again, I'm always fascinated with the people in my comments saying, you know, they just bought 1,000 shares. I just couldn't do it, you know. I just couldn't do it. I just couldn't see myself putting money in a stock that just continues to downtrend. I need to see profitability. I need to see, you know, the stock turn around. I need to see a sign of an uptrend. As you can see, it only has been downtrending for the last year. So what makes you think that now is the bottom? It reminds me a lot of Alibaba. When Alibaba was going from 300 to 250 to 200, people were stepping in at these prices saying, oh, it won't go down any lower. And now I believe it's low 100s, right? Similar to what's happening here. You think it's value when you keep picking it up and it keeps going down. Of course, it's not going to go to zero, but I wouldn't be surprised if it goes to $2. But it depends on what is going on with the whole economy, right? When interest rates rise in March, I think that's when we're going to be at the lowest point, just right before interest rates rise. And when it rises on the day or just that week, the stocks of all companies are going to continue to go up, are going to start to go up, right? Because people would have already priced in the drop that's happening right now. So unfortunately, I think we're going to see 2 more months of pain, even if today is a green day. Unfortunately, it is. This may get you a little excited that, you know, the pain is over. But again, usually historically, the week before the rate hikes that's going to happen in March is when stocks are at its lowest, right? And I just don't think we've got there yet. So hang on, guys. You know, if you're holding on to the stock, hang on for dear life, and we'll see what happens in the future. But I hope you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.